What's up guys, this is Alexia and welcome to my channel. On this channel, what we give to you is facts about Jamaica. So you don't know, I really love the camera thing. From all of you who follow me from Jamaica walk by, you know I like the camera thing, but I come out, I make sure I come out in my outfit, I have on my shoes and my skirt, and I go on with myself, and I want to know if you like and comment, I want to give me some strength so that we can continue this. I am so passionate about it and I want to just bring you some really awesome content. Guess where I am? I wonder who can guess where I am. I'm going to show you right now. I know you're wondering, how me I struggle to talk so? It come like me I struggle to talk over some noise. Well, I am in the beautiful parish of St. Elizabeth and I am right here in Treasure Beach. So I'm wanting to take a look for my scenery right now. The south coast of Jamaica. It is so beautiful, so breathtaking. I just definitely had to do my first video here because it literally feels like paradise. So right about now I'm in St. Elizabeth, and you know we all know it as the breadbasket parish of Jamaica. But you ever wonder how it got that name? Breadbasket. So really it's because St. Elizabeth is known to have a booming agricultural sector, and there is no other parish in Jamaica that produces more food than St. Elizabeth. So most of the grown provisions, the seasoning them, the vegetables, most of them come from St. Elizabeth. So in this bag I have my drone and I'm gonna set up and just, capture all the magic right now. All right, let me just put away this bag so that we can get started. All right, so this is my drone, and firstly, we're going to put in the memory card. Make sure so we are doing it properly. Snap. We're going to go ahead and open up the props. We have to ensure that we set up properly. We don't want any misfortune or any mishap when we're in the sky. I'm going to insert the battery. Remove cover. And then we're going to set up our control here. I'm left-handed, so I typically would deal with the left side first. And just like that, we're almost ready to go. Alright, so we don't know. Alright, so the last piece for the puzzle now is for us to insert the display, which is our mobile device. And we ensure that it is there securely. And then we go ahead and ensure that we are connected, and it seems like we're ready to go. Alright, so we have done all our checks. Everything seems to look good and your pilot is ready to go. So ensure that you fasten your seat belts and we're ready to go. All right. So we are ready for takeoff. Point refreshed. Welcome to Jamaica in 10. Today we're exploring one of Jamaica's hidden gems, Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. This laid-back South Coast town earned its name in the 1930s, inspired by the Treasure Beach Hotel. And trust me, that name couldn't be more fitting. Treasure Beach is a place where time slows down, the sea sparkles, and every visit feels like uncovering your own personal paradise. As you approach Treasure Beach, one of the first things that greets you is this iconic boat stationed at the community's entrance. It is more than just a marker. It's a proud symbol of Treasure Beach's roots in fishing, one of the lifelines of the town. For me, seeing this boat brings back a deep sense of relief, a sign that my long journey from Clarendon is finally over. It's like the unofficial welcome mat for this charming community. The boat also makes the perfect photo spot, a must for every trip. Treasure Beach is made up of 4 distinct bays, each with its own unique charm. Calabash Bay, Frenchman's Bay, Billy's Bay, and Great Bay. At Calabash Bay, here you can see fishing boats return daily, bringing in fresh seafood that supplies some of the area's most loved restaurants. Places like Jack Sprat, Frenchman's Reef, the Lobster Pot use these local catches to create mouth-watering dishes. Whether it's a plate of fish or hearty lobster feast, the seafood here is as fresh as it gets and a true taste of Treasure Beach. Treasure Beach isn't just about the sea. The surrounding Santa Cruz Mountains act as a natural barrier, giving the area some of the driest weather in Jamaica. Despite that, this region still lives up to St. Elizabeth's nickname as the breadbasket parish. Local businesses like the Treasure Beach Gourmet Market grow high-quality vegetables, from sweet corn to juicy tomatoes. It's a testament to the resilience and the ingenuity of the farmers here. The people of Treasure Beach are some of the warmest you'll ever meet. It's no surprise that tourists love it here. You'll often spot them walking along the roads, mingling with locals, or browsing in the shops and mini-marts which sell everything from affordable spirits, food items, and toiletries. During our visits, we always stop at these stores. They are parts of Treasure Beach charm. Not to mention the hotel, villa, and Airbnb owners and staff. Customer service, 10 out of 10. It is said that tourism in Treasure Beach began gaining momentum about 25 years ago with the opening of the beautiful Jake's Hotel. Today, there are several other amazing accommodations like the Lashings Beach Club and Boutique Hotel, which we have stayed quite a few times. Relaxing, lovely ambience, good vibes, delicious food at affordable rates. I could not recommend them enough for your next vacation. But this time we stayed at the stunning Turtle's Nest Villa. Picture this: 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a fully equipped kitchen, and even a private pool with gazebo, clean, comfortable paradise. Oh, and did I mention the sea is practically in your backyard? It's the perfect retreat for anyone looking to unwind in comfort. And let's not forget, we also get a fully furnished, fully stocked, comfortable living room. One of the things that I love the most though about the Turtle's Nest Villa is the decor. It's stylish, unique, and full of character. Many of these accessories and home accents come from the Callaloo Boutique, an upscale craft and souvenir shop located in Frenchman's district. Treasure Beach has a rich history. The first settlers were the Taino people who arrived around 700 AD. These peaceful islanders were skilled potters, carvers, and boat builders. By 1494, their peaceful existence was disrupted by the arrival of the Spanish, leading to their tragic extinction. Centuries later, in the mid-1600s, Scottish sailors settled here after their ship sank off the coast. Their descendants, known for their striking features, remain a part of Treasure Beach unique heritage. So you will see very light-skinned persons, some with blue eyes. They are said to be descendants of these Scottish sailors. Treasure Beach faced one of its toughest challenges yet when Hurricane Beryl swept through in July of 2024. The destruction was widespread, leaving homes and businesses battered and disrupting essential services like water, power, and internet. All three main industries, Fishing, farming, and tourism took a serious hit. Crops were destroyed, fishing boats were damaged, and many accommodations had to close their doors temporarily. But if there's one thing I've learned about the people in Treasure Beach, is that they're incredibly resilient. Cleanup and rebuilding efforts are already underway, and the community is determined to bounce back stronger than ever. In fact, I believe all of the tourism properties have reopened their doors. That is how resilient these people are. Visiting Treasure Beach now is not just a chance to enjoy its beauty, but also an opportunity to support its recovery. So, whether you're savoring fresh seafood, relaxing at a beachfront villa, or simply soaking in the laid-back vibes, Treasure Beach is a place that stays with you. So plan your next visit, support the local community, and discover the treasure waiting for you in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. I hope that you learned something, because I certainly did. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring Jamaica's rich heritage. All right, people, so that's it for our flight. You know, we experienced some turbulence along the way, but we reach our destination now on the boardwalk at the backyard of Turtle's Nest Villa, and I am just so elated that you were here with me. I hope you really enjoyed this video. You know, we take an extensive tour from the sky showing Turtle's Nest Villa. We're showing Treasure Beach. We show you the surrounding areas here, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming. So if you haven't done so as yet, please give the video some thumbs up, comment, you know, give me some advice, or if you have any tips for me to improve the content. You know, I'm willing to, you know, learn and make the thing improve. So now we're gonna land the drone. And all right, so the winner give us a fight, but we are now on the ground. Whew. Always a great feeling to have safe landing. So until next time, big up, love you all.